Hey, what's up everyone? We're on the Wild West Adventure Falls. Alright. Yeah. You ready?
Howdy, partners. Welcome to the Wild West Falls. For your own safety, it's best you keep your hands and arms inside the boat at all times.
Right. Right, here we go up this lift hill. Alright, here we go. Oh, here we go. Alright. Oh, I was not expecting that part. Here we go. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Welcome to the Dodge City. I think this part is where the ride starts to kick in. This part is, I think this is the part where the ride is about to kick in. You ready? Oh, that is, whoa, that's the long steep lift hill. Whoa, actually quite dark in here. You ready? top. Oh my God, are you ready? You ready, guys? All right, I think this is the part where it's about to kick in. Are you ready? Whee! Ah! Whoa. Whoa. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more. See you in the next one.